install Radio Shack. I like lights. It lights up red when it's engaged, so I'll show you how I did this. One wire simply goes right here next to the driver's side battery. Just using that as a ground. The other one, doesn't matter which wire it is, off of the plug. That's the cool thing about it. Doesn't matter which one you use as a ground. The other one goes in between the door jamb. I'll show you. Right in there, I got it going through that boot there where all the wires are for the power windows, power locks, and all that stuff. You gotta take this panel off, which is super easy to do, so you can find the wire that you feed through there. You can route it however you want. I got my wires tucked in there as best I can, so I don't have to get them in the way of my feet or anything. The ground wire from that third prong, which is the ground for the on the switch, you'll see 3 prongs on a switch if it has a light on it. I'm using it down there. You can see my 4-wheel drive shifter. Same ground I'm using for my CB radio too. I'm a little more particular about grounding for my CB radio. So anyway, so you got one wire going from the plug in to a ground, another wire going to this right here, 30 amp fuse, which is for the blower motor. I didn't do a professional job. I just put the wire in there and stuff the fuse in, because it doesn't have any power to it when your truck is shut off, so it won't run the batteries down. This is my cheap idler that I bought for like 70 bucks. Just turn the knob. Here's how it works. Flip this on, and your EVPV valve engages. Flip it off, everything's back to normal. There it is. It's really not hard to do, and because I'm a truck driver, I'm going to use this as kind of an exhaust brake, even though it's not going to work that well, but it's still kind of cool. I like to have it on my passenger side, just like a semi-truck. It's just what I'm used to. There it is. Not hard to do at all.